Recently, delegates from around the Caribbean region were on the island to meet with Aruban officials. Stakeholders were informed on Aruba's sustainability vision. Many think that this plan is indeed admirable, but it isn't without its critics. Some anticipate that for the island to be heading towards 100% sustainability by the year 2020 will come across many challenges. Stakeholders from various islands in the region acknowledge that Aruba has no other direction to go except for a route that allows for renewable energy.
It's ambitious for first, but I like it. I like the idea of using energy in a different way, and I think Aruba has to do it and every island has to do it because the way we're using energy right now, it's not future-proof.
With that being said, the executives from the Chamber of Commerce anticipates Aruba will run into challenges with its sustainability transition.
It is quite, I would say, a challenge to maintain the type of energy and the production of energy as it is now while you introduce new forms of renewable energy. And, I think that is where the balance is supposed to come in as far as which one goes first and how much of what you have is going to be reduced based on what you're introducing. New technology is always risky, but I feel that if the approach is managed properly, it can be accomplished.
Dick Van Berg says the island's greatest obstacle will be its deadline that the government has set for itself.
The ideas are big, the islands stay small, that's the fact, but the time frame they are using. 2020 is coming rapidly and they have a lot to do. And there is a lot that have been done already, but it's 2020 is coming fast, so that's why I think it's ambitious.
In order to reach a vision, there will be trial and error. Although there are challenges, there are also positive developments with the sustainability progress.
I like the way the public and private sector are working together in this, and the search for foreign investors that has succeeded. As I saw the list of foreign investors, so very big, and I like the way the approach of that. The thing that I like the most is probably the way they are dealing with energy. On Bonaire we have the same problem. We have a lot of wind and a lot of sunshine, but to convert that into sustainable energy, that's a problem. So I think Bonaire can learn a lot from Aruba on this case.